Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Pawan, and our today's video topic is method calling and return types in method. So, in this topic, we will discuss what is a first we will discuss overview of the method, then types of the method, then what is the method calling, and what is the return types in method. So, first we will start with what is a method. In Java, method is a group of the code or group of the functions grouped together to perform some specific task. It means when we have to perform some specific tasks, we use method. So actually there are the two types of method in Java. First one is a user defined method, and second one is a system defined methods. So the system design methods are the method these methods are already defined in classes. For example, the scanner class having some methods, these are already defined or predefined in system. So these are known as the predefined method or the system design method defined method. Next is a user defined method. So the user defined methods are the method they are defined by user. It name indicate itself. These method are actually defined by method as per his requirement or his task requirement. Whatever task he want to perform or execute on that factor, he defined the method, and that method is known as the user defined method. So the the example of the predefined methods are the object class having the some methods like the hash code method is a predefined method. That is a hash code method is a method which is defined in a object class. As we know uh, ob- as we know the parent of every class is nothing but a object class. So by creating the object of the object class, we can access this predefined method or we can invoke that methods. So and next is a user defined method. So there are the two types of the user defined method. First one is static method and second one is a non static method or the instance method. So actually this part is related to method calling. If we have to perform some task, we have to do two things. First we have to create the method. Inside that method we have to define the task that we have to perform, and next is a method invoking or the method calling to perform that return task or defined task. So as I said, there are the two types of the method or there are the two types of the user defined method, that is a static method and instance method. So the static method is a method which is belonging to class instead of the object of the class. It means when we call that method, there is no need to create the object of the class. uh, so uh, that happen in case of the static method. But when we use the non-static method or instance method, uh, as its name indicate, this method is belong to instance of the object instead of uh, the class. It belonging to instance of the class or the object of the class. So when we have to invoke these methods, instance method, we have to simply create the object. First we have to create the object of the current class, and then by using that uh, object dot, we can invoke instance method. So these are the two types of the user defined method, and how I explained how we can invoke them. Then next is a same happen in case of the user defined method. If we have to call these methods, uh, sorry it's a predefined method. If we have to call the predefined method, same we have to create the object of the predefined class, and by using that object we can invoke these methods. So that was all about the method calling. And next topic, our next topic is the method return type. So the method return type, it means when we have to uh, when we have to return some value from the method, or after performing some task, if we have to return some value from the method, then we use the return type method. Actually, return type of the method is mentioned with the method name. So we can take any type of the integer, any type of the primitive data type as a return value, as well as the non-primitive data type as a return value from the method. But there is one condition: whatever value we are getting from the method and the data type of the that value should be same. It means, for example, if we are performing addition of the method, addition of the nums, that time, if you are taking that addition value in return, it means it is of integer data type. So if you are getting the sum of this method, the sum variable data type and the method data type, that is a integer, both are same, so it must be same. That is a condition. So next is a void method. It means when we don't want any type of the value in return from the method, that time we use the void method. So we write the task that we have to perform inside the method body and simply get the output. In that case, we does not return any type of the value to the caller. So that is a void method. So guys, that was all about the method calling and return type of the method in Java. Thank you so much.